Hey, I'm Bonita G, and this is Experience It, where we're making your career choice easier. The other day, we met up with Kingsley on experienceit.mobi. Now, Kingsley wants to become a computer programmer, and that's what we're here to do today. So come on, let's go experience it. These days, computer programmers are hot property, and there are plenty of jobs available for them in the market. Programmers use computer language to design and develop software programs that make businesses run smoother, and they're also there to help us as consumers to make our lives simpler and easier. There are 4 genres in computer programming: web-based, functional, operational, and graphical. And all of these are used in almost all the business sectors you can possibly imagine. Today we're here at Dariel Solutions, which is one of South Africa's best software architecture and development companies. And with me is the man of the hour, Mr. Kingsley. Are you ready to do this?
Let's do this.
Okay, let's experience it. Malcolm, why is there such a great need for programmers?
Well, as we're seeing software becoming more and more the electricity of companies today, there's a huge shortage of developers to fulfill the needs.
Greg, what does the business of computer programming entail?
The business of computer programming starts with understanding and documenting the client's requirements. Once we know what he wants, we turn that into a design, where we design the system that we need to build. Once we've got a design, we then give it to the developers who take that and build the program in order to meet the client's requirements. And building the program is writing the source code, the program itself, that will deliver the screens and the reports that the client wants to solve the problem.
So, Greg, we've got a question for you from Facebook. Quibus wants to know, what do you think the job market's going to look like in the next 5 years?
I think the job market in South Africa over the next 5 years is going to be very exciting. We have a desperate shortage of computer programmers in this country, and those guys that come through are going to have wonderful opportunities to tackle some wonderful projects.
So what have we learned today? Well, we know that there's a great need for skilled programmers in the market. Programmers need to be analytical and logical. They need to be precise, ambitious, and creative. The work process that programmers apply starts by defining the need. Then they need to design the flowchart, develop the software, and test that software. And finally, they need to be able to provide support to the end user. Kingsley, today you've really had an opportunity to get your hands dirty and get to know software development. Is this still something you want to do?
Oh yes, definitely.
Because in my hands, I have a bursary for you from Boston City Campus and Business College to the value of 20,000 Rand.
Thanks so much.
My work here is done. Do you want to know more about your dream job? Do you want to experience it? And do you want to win a Boston bursary to the value of 20,000 Rand? Well, if you do, you need to head to experienceit.mobi. Go check out all the details there, and you could be the next to experience it.